Good morning students, how are you? Hope you are all fine and your studies are going very well. So today's in this lecture we will going to discuss about human digestive system, or you can call human digestion. So let's start. First of all, why we need this type of digestive system? Because the food we eat is of complex nature. It has to be broken down into simpler molecule for the absorption of energy into our body. Now let's look at the alimentary canal. This long tube from mouth to anus represent alimentary canal, or you can call it gut. Alimentary canal has modification at various sites to perform different types of function. So now let's understand the course of food through our alimentary canal. The food we eat comes into our mouth, which is also known as buccal cavity. In the buccal cavity we have tongue, teeth and salivary glands. The teeth help us to crush the food and grind it properly. The tongue helps the food to mix properly with salivary amylase. Salivary amylase is the enzyme secreted by salivary gland. Salivary gland present here. The process of digestion of food starts from our mouth because salivary gland contains salivary amylase. It is an enzyme which breaks down complex carbohydrate into simple sugar. From the mouth, the food goes into esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube. Here you can see the movement of food in the gut take place by peristaltic movement. What is peristaltic movement? It is the rhythmic contraction and expansion of gut by which the food pushes forward. Now from the mouth, the food comes into the stomach through the esophagus. In the stomach, the food is properly digested by the HCl, hydrochloric acid, present in the stomach. In the stomach, mucus is also present because the acid is highly concentrated. So to protect the wall of the stomach, mucus is present. In the stomach, the medium is acidic because an enzyme called trypsin is present in the stomach, which helps us to break down the protein. From the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine. Small intestine is the place where maximum digestion and absorption take place. In the small intestine, the bile juice from liver and the pancreatic juice present for the digestion of food. The bile juice helps in the digestion of fat present in the food, and also the small intestine is highly coiled structure and it contains microvilli which increases the absorption of food digestion. Almost digestion occur in the small intestine, and after the food from the small intestine passes into the large intestine, which is also known as colon. In the colon, the maximum absorption of water and minerals take place. From the large intestine, the undigested food, also called waste material, are temporarily stored into rectum and passes out through the anus.